Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm back with another quick how to draw video. This one is going to be focused on using references. This might seem pretty straightforward, but it's actually something I've struggled with, and I imagine some of you might be struggling with this too. When I was just starting out, after I realized I hated chemistry and couldn't bear the thought of studying to become a doctor, I was mainly copying other artwork and tracing art from books around my house. I remember how difficult it was just to get the copied piece of artwork to look the same as the original. The proportions, colors, everything was off. Of course, after doing several hundred photo studies, I began to get better and better at copying what I've observed, and it helped a lot. However, when I tried drawing my own characters, it looked kinda bad. I didn't understand why, and I thought I regressed, so I went into a dark period where I thought I wasn't built to be good at art, and I might as well go back to school. Eventually, there was a light in the distance, and I got out of my self-loathing tunnel of frustration and doubt. And if you can relate, keep watching, because I'm going to show you the directions I took. I broke down what I noticed was going on with my artwork. My copied studies looked alright, but my own personal artwork looked awful. I did some thinking over a period of time and realized it must be because I didn't fully understand what I was copying, and with a reference, I didn't need to understand. I just needed to copy and paste what I was seeing with my eyes to my digital canvas with my pen. But here's the trick, you don't need to understand in order to draw great images right away. You just need to keep that same reference you're drawing. Open up another reference of your character and merge the two together. This is what I use for my own personal work. I still have to fill in some gaps with my own knowledge, but it solves most of the painting for you. And an added bonus is it actually helps you improve more than if you were copying straight from the reference image. So right now you're just watching a demo where I use a reference image and still the perspective, composition, character placement, and only need to worry about switching out the things I want to replace. So for example, you're going to see that book towards the back is going to be replaced with a phone. I'm going to add another character towards the left. And because it's in black and white, I'm just going to add my own colors as well. So I know most artists are visual learners, so hopefully seeing how it's executed helps you understand what I mean. And basically how to put it into practice. Now I'm just going to stop talking and let you watch the rest of the demo, and I'll chime back in towards the end with some closing thoughts. Hey guys, thanks for sticking it out to the end of the video. I wanted to summarize everything I mentioned in one sentence so it'll be easier for you to remember. Try to use the reference as a guide and don't do a direct copy unless that's what your goal is. And if there's anything else you struggle with related to drawing, leave a comment below and I'll make it my next video. And of course, please don't forget to like the video as well and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified the next time I upload. Take care guys.